Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We start here with the bearish count. Not much to add really. It's a quiet weekend. ADA reacted to our target area down here, which is fine. We moved into the other direction, and now we just need to see if this move continues to the upside, as ideally, based on this wave count, we would expect, which means that both here, in both bearish scenarios, and let me just show you both, in both cases we would expect a little bit of a move up before we come down. Overall, we have a large triangle here, as you can see. So one possible count is the A, B, C, D, E Elliott wave triangle. Now the wave E could already possibly be finished, but we'll talk about that in a minute. And then, but ideally it would now stretch to 54.3 cents and would then come down in an impulse to the downside. It would then be a wave 1. The other possibility would be that we've already seen, and then we have to think and, well, just ignore the triangle count, that from the peak here at around 60 cents we came down in a wave 1, we retraced in a wave 2, and we're going to move up or down in a wave 3 next. That would be a very impulsive sell-off. Confirmation that we're coming down would be in the triangle. The first indication would be a break below 45.4 cents, and the confirmation would be a move below 42.5 cents. So, and in both scenarios we would expect either here the wave Y of the wave 2 to work out, or the wave E triangle to go a bit higher. And why is this 54.3 cent level so important? Let's just double check that. So it was for, I think it was the length. If we take the length of the wave C, yeah, exactly. So as you can see here, in terms of Fibonacci extensions, you can see it here, 54.3. That is a 61.8% length of the wave C. Wave E, same length as the 61.8% length of the wave C. There is a very likely target for a wave E triangle. So yeah, looking forward to understanding more about which of these two scenarios is working out, but in both we would expect a move to the downside. And you know, if we talk about the wave 1-2 scenario here, we do not really want the price to get above the 55.9 cent level. So maybe I'll add that onto the chart as well. Again, that is the 78.6% fib level. If we go above that, then it is just unlikely that the wave 2 is still working out, and we might be looking at something more bullish. But overall, in both bearish scenarios, I would ideally look at the chart to move higher. Again, indication that we are breaking down would be that 45.5 cent level. Now, if we come down, I think then we have to expect that we break this triangle to the downside. So, and that would then be the imminently bearish count. So I don't have much confidence into the ADA count at the moment, as I said, but you know, maybe we'll see a little bit the Vaisel hard fork effect. Don't really think so. That's why I always say, you know, in a bear market, looking at these events, they might not create that hype that you would normally expect in a bull run. In the bullish count, we would of course also expect prices to move up. We nicely adhered here to the target area as well. We broke above the 48 cent level. This could very well be the beginning of an impulse to the upside. We have we don't really have 5 waves yet. So yeah, if we now go above 48.8, that will of course indicate continuation. But again, here with ADA, we've had now recently a lot of confluence in the chart. Yeah, we talked down here about a move up. We talked here about the upcoming correction. We talked here about a move up. It went a bit higher than expected, and then the move down. In all scenarios, both bullish and bearish. So as I always mention, when you have confluence between the bullish and the bearish scenarios, the likelihood is high that they are going to work out, and that we reached all these reversal areas, as you can see here. So it was really, really positive with ADA. To be fair, all of these reversal areas were reached actually here. So I think we missed 3 or 4, which means the price went actually straight through them, which means the target was reached, but it was actually stronger than expected, yeah, or invalidated it by going through the target, but the direction was correct. So we're now moving higher here, yeah, and would expect in the bullish count, and that would be a confirmation that we are bullish, to break through this 55.9 cent level. And then in the end, I mean, first we would need to break above the wave B high, and then, you know, get to that 55.8, 55.9 cent level. That would be a break of that red resistance area anyway, and yeah, then we could be looking at something more bullish. Okay, so that's my update. Bear in mind, Basel hard fork coming up next week. So, you know, any price move to the upside now will probably, in the headlines, be attributed to the Basel hard fork. Alright, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.